Yo, what it do? It's your boy Al Wu with the shoe, and we back, gang. Shout out to all my family members. We are growing. I had to go on the second poster, the original, the OG Jordan poster. But today, I'm gonna be bringing y'all a little commentary about Mr. Bbl Drizzy. Bbl Drizzy, yeah, Bbl Drizzy is back at it again, gang. Now look, I know in light of the Kendrick and Drake's beef, he's caught so much flack, but he has a dog Kobe collection. When it comes to all the Kobe's, Mr. Bbl Drizzy, Drake himself. That's right, he's the Kobe King. Oh man, look at all those protos. I mean, he got 1, 2, 3 into the 4. Drake come in at your door, better lock the site on. He got a lot, dude. Look at all of those collections. He got the styles. I mean, when it comes to the Kobe's, I don't think it's a celebrity that has more Kobe's than him. I mean, I don't know, maybe Devin Booker, maybe Jason Tatum, who actually studied under the Black Mamba and got the Mamba mentality, but they have yet to show their showcase. So Mr. Drake has all the protos when it comes to the Kobe vintages, when it comes to the Kobe's, any style you think, Mamacitas, he has them all. Look at that. He's probably got sample pairs. He's probably got unreleased pairs because you know he had that deal with Jumpman. So Nike is gonna hook him up. Whatever package Drake want, he gonna get. Look at all that, man. I mean, when you walk in his closet, it's nothing but Kobe's. It's like the man don't know that Jordans exist. What are you doing, man? It's like, nah, he got a lot more shoes, I'm quite sure. But that is the best collection of Kobe's I've seen. All of those different colorways, styles. That performance shoe is made, it's grail. RIP to Kobe. He was one of the GOATs. And he definitely proved to everybody that it doesn't matter how and where you come from. It just matters on what impact and what mentality you keep along the way. So if y'all think Drizzy Drake has the best Kobe collection when it comes to those shoes, go ahead and hit that like button, because man, I don't see too many people out here rocking Kobe's for streetwear. But as the later years have been coming by, Jordan and Yeezy has lost their threshold on the shoe market. So you see a lot more performance athletic shoes out here on the pavements. So shout out to Mr. Bbl Drizzy. He got all the Kobe's, man. That is crazy. Y'all see the collection. If you love this content and want to see more celebrity shoe content, any shoe content, go ahead, do me a favor. The wall is growing. You will be a part of the family. #1 shoe content family. Hit that subscribe button for me. I'm tongue-tied and twisted because I'm excited. We have a second page, a Patreon. We have merch. That's right. Al Wu with the shoe is bringing those content classic bangers for your head top. And we expanded. So definitely, if you find entertainment and education value, continue to watch. It's your boy Al Wu with the shoe. You already know what to do. Peace. Yo, hello? Yeah, you guys need some more shoe content. You guys need some more ideas with shoes and how you deal with them. All right, man, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the like button, share. I know people are always gonna be calling. The shoes is calling. Listen, y'all like the content, subscribe. Share it, man. Let's get this platform grown bigger than a giant. I mean, we need it like Goliath size big, guys. We on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get this video 100 likes. We got some sauce coming for y'all. Merch gonna be coming in. Telling y'all, tap in, and we gonna show y'all how y'all get these on y'all feet. So subscribe, Al Wu with the shoe.